Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your part in the measurement range for the LJS series. So let's start by opening up the terminal software. And then we're going to press Connections, Add Connection. I have this connected via USB right now, so I'm going to click USB, Apply, and then Close. Lastly, I need to connect these three blue wires and then double click on Remote Desktop. Then my LJS series will launch and I can start playing with the tools. So first thing I always do is I press run and let's see what kind of image we get. So I just ran and we have a black image. What that means is the part is not in the field of view. And what can happen sometimes is although you're within the measurement field of view, we can actually change the box inside it. So if you press measurement area, well, first you go to set head and then measurement area. You press OK. You get this kind of field of view. So that the shaded blue area is everywhere where the laser can see, but this red box right here where my mouse is tracing, that's the calibrated field of view that we can actually see. And then this yellow box right here is what we're actually seeing. So what I always like to do is press run full, and this is just going to open up that field of view to as big as it can, and then we can kind of see an image from there. So our part is in the field of view, but it just wasn't in this yellow box that we had before. Something you can do is if you click on this box, you can move it up. And it can be a little tricky, but there we go. I just moved it up. And then if you press run again, so not run full, but regular run, the part should be in the field of view. And why is that? What just happened? So right here you have a 2D view and then a 2D view from the side. And what this yellow line is if you were to move it over, you can start to see how, wow, now this blue line changed. So what's happening here? So this yellow line is a 2D cross section of this 3D image, and this is the 2D view of it. So when if I can zoom in on this area right here, if I were to take this line, this yellow line right here, and move it off this dime, just to the flat surface that I'm working with, okay, it goes away. But now if I move it back over the dime, you can see it reappears. And so what we want to do with this yellow box is we want to look at the highest part of our 3D image and the lowest part, if possible. And I want this box to have a little bit of room on both sides, but so we can see everything in the field of view. I hope that makes sense. You can also make this box shorter if you don't need to measure anything outside of it. What that will do is decrease your capture time, so you'll be able to run parts faster and faster. So now that I ran it again, perfect. Let's go back to that regular LJS image screen. I just ran it again. Now I can pop this into 3D, and luckily with the Keyence LJS, one click of a button, you can see 3D image just like that. Yeah, lastly, one other thing that I want to go over is inside speed up. This is other ways that you can speed it up. But to get maximum resolution out of your head in the direction of travel, if you turn skipping off, it will take longer, but that's going to be the most resolution you can possibly get. So limiting factors here are skipping, the measurement area, and exposure time. Have fun training with the LJS.